welcome back to our news. A soon-to-be-launched summer camp is set to give at-risk teens a chance to express their creative side. The Creative Genius Camp will run from July 18th to August 12th at University of the Bahamas' Office of Disabilities and Compliance. Camp founder Carla Campbell says she hopes the experience will help participants cope with their issues and build confidence while learning new skills.
Children's Voices is an organization that focuses on at-risk youth and using art and literature to help them bring out their true voice, their expression. And one of the things that I hope to achieve, not only with this summer camp, with helping them with lessening anxiety and depression and expressing themselves, but also to grow this program so that we can expand into how does this program would affect academics, because our focus is really on students who may be at low socioeconomic backgrounds or low GPAs or learning disabilities, and so that's who we're really focused on, and we want to use art and literature to, give them more self-confidence, and with that they can be confident learners, and we want to see how that could potentially grow in the future.
I'll read the first one. I use art as a tool of speaking university as I try to connect everyone's spirit into one huge entity in order for us to truly appreciate and love one another's craft.
The title of mine is Limbo. She is stuck in a particular place in life. She feels like she is suffocating. She doesn't know how to cope with life, and she doesn't want to know. She is not a people pleaser even for herself. She can't pinpoint how she feels, so her negative thoughts drown her.
I guess I'd best describe my experience as different. I haven't done anything like this before, so it sort of feels like a breath of fresh air. Yeah, thank you.
It gives me great pleasure to take this opportunity to really praise Carla Campbell and her Children's Voices initiative. I think what she's doing is amazing work to really give validation to kids who have a different type of intelligence, who really just work in their own way, who sometimes find challenges to work within the traditional setting of school and the value systems that school upholds. There's a whole spectrum of the way we learn and the way we experience and the way we express and communicate, and what she's doing is amazing.
I feel that this camp, especially being a camp that's already established as something that's happening, it's not a one-time thing. These students are going to look at this, come again, be able to share it with their friends. They're able to engage with diverse students, because one thing at-risk persons or students experience is isolation and not knowing what's out there, or not having the ability to communicate or to really grow authentically. And spaces like Children's Voices allows them to do that, because not only do they get to dive deeper into their creativity and their innovation, they also get to engage with students that are like them. They also get to take on and read different books that speak specifically to them.
I'm Mrs. Rowe, Renee's mom. From my observation, I have seen her produce more tenacity and enthusiasm towards the fundamentals of art. She is more invigorated towards her goals as becoming an artist. We the parents of Monet and family members of Monet, we thank you with applause, Ms. Campbell, and the team of Children's Voices of 2022 for an exceptional 4 weeks, of motivating tactics and skills shared with our children. Again, we thank you. We thank you for believing in our future generation. Salute.
Hi, my name is Davia Ambrose, and I am the mother of Amaya Joseph. I must say, since she's joined this art program, she has opened up and socialized a lot more. Being a child that has been homeschooled for the past 2 years, she has shown a great significance in socializing with her peers, being more interested in art, and she is extremely excited to showcase her work on Monday at the art exhibit. I must say it has been a pleasure being a part of this with her and hearing all of the wonderful things she has to say when she comes home concerning the program, and I would love to see each and every one of them, including my daughter, prosper in all their endeavors from this day forward, and wishing them all success during the art exhibit.
Hi everybody, my name is Crystal Cox. I am the parent of Kristen Cox, and this summer was the first time for her to take this art camp. I actually had to force her to go to the camp, but after her first day, she came home excited about the possibilities of what this camp can actually offer for her. And I started seeing changes in her. She went from being a shy artist to a more confident artist who is now bursting with ideas about her artwork and how to branch out and do different things just besides drawing. Like, she can't stop bragging about this mask that she's made. I can't wait to see it. But she's also showing confidence in her person as well. She's come a little bit more friendlier. I've noticed confidence in the way that she dressed, the way that she speaks, everything. So I'm thankful to this art camp, and anybody that has a child that shows interest or has any form of talent, I would encourage them to take part in this art camp because it's made a difference for Kristen. Thank you.